Step into unparalleled luxury with this Royal Loft Suite aboard Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas. This two-level masterpiece offers expansive space, soaring ceilings, and breathtaking ocean views from your private balcony. Enjoy elegant living and dining areas, a lavish master suite, and exclusive VIP amenities designed for the ultimate indulgence. Elevate your cruise with the pinnacle of sophistication. To book this amazing suite, contact your favorite magical vacation planner today.